Hello everyone, my name is Karina Sokolova and today I will present you our study that is named Can Social Media Influencers Encourage Healthy Behavior? A study of food influencers and home cooking intentions. Recently, it has been observed that French people start to consume less fresh fruits and vegetables in favor to pre-made processed food or takeaway meals. Also, more and more people eat out of home instead of cooking at home. However, the research showed that eating out of home um, is related to higher intake of energy, fat, sodium, lower intake of meat, micronutrients, fruits and vegetables, and also is related to sedentary lifestyle that was shown to be to have very negative effects on health and increased likeliness of obesity. So as such, given that home cooking was related to higher intake of vegetable salads and fruits, and also to many sociological benefits by the literature, seems possible to increase public health by encouraging people to cook at home instead of eating out of home. We've also seen the popularization of influencers on social media. So very popular accounts that promote a kind of style or behavior. Among those influencers, we can observe food influencers that encourage cooking or at least show recipes, show healthy lifestyles, and that seems to promote such lifestyle. The literature shows that influencers have a very strong marketing power. So by they can advertise products to their followers and increase purchase intentions. However, they also promote a particular lifestyle, so for example, healthy eating or healthy lifestyle. But it is unclear if they really encourage their followers to behave like them and if they really promote such behaviors. A recent study had questioned the possibility that influencers could encourage healthy behavior such as fitness. So, therefore, in this article, we are interested in social media influencers and if they could encourage healthy behavior, being role models for social media users. So we leverage social cognitive theory as a theoretical background. Social cognitive theory explains that people could observe certain behavior and adopt this behavior if they somehow motivated to adopt it. And the motivations come from the observed benefits. So people think that the behavior is beneficial, observe the behavior is beneficial for someone, and also from the self-efficacy, so the ability to perform such behavior. So as such, we integrate benefits and self-efficacy into our model, and we test if benefits and self-efficacy could encourage the followers of food influencers to make the recipes they show. So we adopt quantitative research, quantitative study, and we use partially square approach to test our hypothesis. Bootstrapping method with 5,000 some samples. We obtained a total of 262 respondents, all women, aged between 18 and 45 years old. That is the majority of Instagram users. All of those respondents follow at least one food influencer on Instagram. So our model integrates two benefits, health and economic. It was shown by multiple studies that home cooking is very beneficial for health, but also for economic reasons. And we observed that food influencers frequently include those benefits into their recipes. So they frequently mention that the recipe is very healthy or good for the budget and could be made on budget. Our dependent variable is an imitation intention, so the intention to cook the recipes proposed by the influencers and to cook them at home. So our results show that actually health and economic benefits do not influence imitation intention. We didn't find a significant link between benefits and imitation intention. However, self-efficacy is indeed related to imitation intention. So people that feel they could imitate the recipe, could reproduce this recipe, are more likely to cook those recipes at home. So such results made us to proceed with this study, and we've created an extended model with more of different benefits and also the antecedents of self-efficacy. And we observed that although health and economic benefits do not seem to be related to imitation intention, social and entertainment benefits that are more emotion related are actually related to imitation intention. Also, among other variables, we observe descriptive norms, or the perception that other followers make those recipes at home, as a significant variable, but also the attractiveness of the recipe and the novelty seeking seems to influence imitation intention. Considering self-efficacy, the perceived ease of the recipe, verbal persuasion from an influencer, and past experience in cooking are related to the perceived self-efficacy. However, the perceived similarity with an influencer doesn't seem to affect self-efficacy. So such results show that influencers could indeed drive positive behavior and influence public health. However, it is surprising that utilitarian benefits do not seem to impact this decision, but more emotional stimuli. So it seems that arguments could be outtaken by emotional stimuli. And it's possible that younger generations, users of social networking platforms such as Instagram, are more emotionally driven than information driven. So considering the practical implications, as the self-efficacy is important for followers to reproduce the recipes, we advise Instagram influencers to provide clear instructions for the recipes, use cooking techniques that can be applied at home, and choose seasonal and easy to find ingredients. Also, we encourage to incorporate verbal persuasion into the content to encourage people to cook and to reproduce those recipes at home. Given that past experience is very important for self-efficacy, we would suggest including cooking classes from young age, probably from school. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and you can also contact us by email that is shown below. Thank you very much for your attention.